Hi guys, I just want to show you my pond. I had this for some 20 years now, and lately I run into massive struggles when it comes to cleaning. I had an old, small, undersized biofilter with foam mats. I didn't have a UV, so wasn't clever enough to work that out up front, but slowly and lately it turned murky green and was not nice. But what I did some search, came across Terry Wright's website where he basically built a filtering system using plastic barrels, these kinds, and the end result is surprising. It's so good, I'm not kidding. Less than a week and everything works, clean the pond, and it's just absolutely brilliant. This is my moving bed. I have no idea yet if that's too much, but still a bit of a trial and error state. This is my mid one, so I couldn't source 320 litre drums, so I ended up with 1, 2, and the first one is one of these 220 or so litres, which is double the size, but that's my initial static filter, and that do the work, and it's all good. My media is brand new, or near new, less than a week, or maybe 2 now. So it still needs to mature, but it's filtering, doing the work, doing the job, perfect. Mid one, you can see it's picking up stuff as well. Just cleaned it, so it was a lot more grit earlier. And the last one, you can see, nice clear water, polishing, encouraging the bacteria. And then I had the opportunity to use my old biofilter, and this is the box I used to have. That was my filtering system, using different levels of foam mats, and it just didn't work. It clogged and took me probably an hour or 2 to clean, and it was clogged within 3 days. Now I managed to reuse the box in the garden, where I have my UV, brand new UV, my air pump and controls and power, and it's perfect. Just brilliant. Works fine. My barrels have been connected with barrel unions, so I can actually disconnect each barrel, take them off and maintain them if I need to, replace them without affecting anything really. And I tried that and it works fine. It's a bit of a mess with, I had to cut through, I used some milk crates, and it sort of worked, but it's a bit of a play around getting one barrel out, so, but it works, you can do it. And these filters is brilliant. I can't thank Terry enough. It's just so good. In such a short time it cleared the pond. I assume the fish feels a lot happier. I feel a lot happier. The water coming out is now the pond. The water, the pump is a variable pump. It's actually 21,000 or so litre per hour, and but it's a variable pump. So initially, for a couple of days, I basically fed 40% of the pump, complete feed, straight into the filters, and the water collected in the filtering drums was ugly, nasty. And now I actually turn the pump on onto 100%. I'm basically bypassing part of the filter, so I would say maybe 30-40% goes through these filter drums, while the rest, maybe 60 or so, goes straight back into the pond. But overall it circulates the whole lot, and it works. The filter is doing its job, and the water is pristine. You can see the bottom, you can see the fishes. It's brilliant. Really happy with this. So again, Terry Wright, thank you very much for this concept. You can see the pump at the bottom and 1 or 2 fishes flashing by. I have silver perch in the pond, not koi, it's actually table fish. In the past I had rainbow trout, and that worked fine as well, but on this occasion I decided to put some table fish and silver perch in, and we'll see. So far everything's good, so that's it. Thanks for me, and goodbye.